Hello there. So you want to know how you can fix your Battle.net stuck on loading or initializing and your Blizzard launcher is just not opening. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So the only reason you're going to be having it stuck on initializing is going to be because of your internet connection. So all you need to do is, first things first, simply right click and on your network and internet settings and click on it, and now go to Ethernet and then go to DNS server assignment, click on edit and make sure it is turned to manual, turn on IPv4. 8.8.8.8 should be on your preferred DNS, and 4.4 should be on your alternate DNS, and click on save. Once you've done that, other thing you want to do is simply run command prompt as an administrator. Simply click on yes, and now here is two commands that you need to run. So first being ipconfig /flush DNS, just like that, and the second being netsh winsock reset. So that is about it. Go ahead and restart your computer and your problem should be solved. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.